Hi everyone, in this class I am going to solve some basic problems on power. Let's begin the class. An electric lamp consumes 1000 joules of electrical energy in 10 seconds. Then the power is, here an electrical lamp consumes 1000 joules of electrical energy. So energy is the capacity to do work, and joules is a unit of work done as well as energy. So here we need to find power. So power కావాలి మనకి. We know that power denoted by capital P, so which is equals to, what is the formula for power? Work done by time taken. So work is the capacity to do work. So work done denoted by W and time taken denoted by small t. So here there is an electrical bulb. It consumes how much energy? 1000 joules. So joules is a unit of work done as well as energy. So energy ki work done ki units same hai, joules. Okay. So it consumes 1000 joules of energy, and time duration is given. So time taken T is equals to 20 seconds. So here 1000 joules is work done. We need power. So we have a formula for power: work done by time taken. Work done 1000 joules by time taken 20 seconds. 0 0 cancel, 2 ones and 2 50s. 50 joules per second. Joule per second is a unit of power. So 1 joule per second is equal to watt. So this unit actually named after this Scottish scientist James Watt. 50 joules per second is equal to 50 watt. Therefore power P is equal to 50 watts. In the second problem, a force of 100 Newton is applied on an object, and the object displaced to a distance of 8 meters in 20 seconds. Then the power on object is. So there is an object. Question number 2. There is an object. A force of 100 newtons is applied on this object, and this object is displaced to a distance given how much? This object is displaced to a distance of 8 meters, and time is, the duration is, time duration is 20 seconds. Here time duration is 20 seconds. Then the power on the object is. So we need to find power on the object. Okay. So question mark. So this is the object. Due to application of force of 100 newtons, this object is displaced to here, from here to here. The total displacement is 8 meters, and the time taken is 20 seconds. So here force F is equal, generally denoted by capital F. So F is equal to 100 newtons. So ఎంత ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేసాం ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మీద? 100 newtons ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేసాం. So we know that power is equal to work done by time taken, but we have one more formula in terms of force. So what is that formula? Power P is equal to force into velocity. Force into velocity. So F for force and V for velocity. So product of force and velocity is called power. So here force is already given, F value is given 100 newtons. And what about velocity? So we know that velocity V is equal to displacement by time. Velocity V is equals to displacement by time. Here displacement is how much? 8 meters is given already, clearly mentioned in the question. By time taken, here time is 20 seconds. So here we can simplify further. 4 2s and 4 5s 20. So how much? What is the velocity of this object? 2 by 5 meter per second. Meter per second. So velocity unit meter per second. Now we have velocity. Now we can find power on object. So power on object, P is equals to force. Here force is equal to 100 newtons into velocity. So velocity is 2 by 5 meter per second. 5 ones and 5 20s are 100. So P is equal to power on object is equal to 20 into 2 40. 40 Newton meter per second. We know that Newton, 1 Newton meter is equal to 1 Newton meter is equal to 1 joule. So it can be written as 40 joules per second. 1 joule per second is equal to what? 40 watts. So power on the object is 40 watts. And third problem, an electric heater is rated 1500 watt. Then the work done by it in an hour is. So there is an electric motor and its rating is 1500 watt. So here rating means power. So what is the power? 1500 watt. Here unit is watt. W here unit of power is watt. Okay. So what is given? So it means given data is power. So power is equal to 1500 watts and given time duration. So T is equal to time taken is 1 hour. An hour means 1 hour. So here we need to find work done by it. Work done by electric motor. Work done. So denoted by W. So work done find out shall be. So work done by an electric motor in 1 hour. Okay. So what is the relationship between power, time and work? We know that power is equal to work done by time taken. So we need work done, transpose time taken, T. So division becomes multiplication. So P into T is equals to work done. So work done is equals to, so we need work done in so here we need work done in joules. In question given, I mentioned that work done by the electric motor in joules. So anyhow, first of all, here time is in hour. We know that 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. Now substitute our values here. 1500 power value 1500 watts into 1 hour means 3600 seconds. 15 into 36. 15 into 36 how much? 540. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0. So watt second. Watt means joule per second. 1 watt is equal to joule per second. And second cancel. So 54 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. So work done by an electric motor is 54 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. So this is the final answer. And the fourth problem, if a force does 180 joules of work in 1 minute, a force does 180 joules of work in 1 minute. So here force does 180 joules of work. So 180 joules of work means given work done. Question number 4. Here work done W is equal to 180 joules. So time duration is given in 1 minute. So time T is equals to 1 minute. Then the average rate at which it is working is. Then the average rate at which it is working is. So we know that average rate of work done is nothing but power. Okay na? So what is the definition of power in general? What is power? Rate of work done. So average rate of work done means here we need to find power. So we know that power is equal to work done by time taken. Here work done is 180 joules by time taken. So time taken is in minutes. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, now put T is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, 61s and 63s. So 3 joules per second or 3 watts. So therefore average rate of work done is 3 watts. This is the final answer. And the problem number 5. A vehicle needs an engine of 7500 watt to keep on moving with constant velocity 20 meter per second on a horizontal surface. The force required for the motion is. So there is a vehicle, it has an engine. That engine rating is 7500 watt. 7500 watt. So rating means power here. Okay. So power ఎంత ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ మనకి? Power P is equal to given 7500 watt. So ఇక్కడ ఇంజిన్ రేటింగ్ అంటే పవర్ రేటింగ్. ఓకేనా? సో 7500 watt and given velocity. So velocity how much? Velocity V is equals to, here velocity V is equal to 20 meter per second. So what we need to find? మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ? A vehicle needs an engine of 7500 watt to keep on moving with constant velocity. ఓకేనా? సో కాన్స్టెంట్ వెలాసిటీతో మూవ్ అవ్వాలంటే ఓకేనా ఎంత పవర్ కావాలి మనకి? 7500 watts on horizontal surface. The force required for the motion is, he is asking force. ఇక్కడ మనం ఫోర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. So anyhow, what is the relationship between? So here unknown is force. First of all, here unknown is force. F is equal to what? We know that power is equal to force into velocity. Now force is equal to transpose velocity. We get P by V. So force is equal to power by velocity. Here power is 7500 by velocity. Here velocity is 7500 watt and velocity 20 meter per second. 0 cancel, 2 ones and 2 375s. 2 375s are 750 and watt per meter per second. We know that 1 watt is equals to Newton meter per second. So 375, 1 watt is equal to 1 Newton meter per second by meter per second. So we get reciprocal, second by meter, second cancel, meter cancel, and therefore final answer is 375 newtons. So the total amount of the force required for the motion is 375 newtons. Okay, now vehicle కి ఇంత force కావాలి. Okay, thank you.